Hey guys, it's Brandon here. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing, I'm gonna be, I'm gonna be making a video showing you guys the presents I want for Christmas this year. Okay, guys. So this video is made like 6 months early before December. Um, but this video is going to come out on like le- like the very beginning of December. Um, and it, and I wanted to make this video early because I don't like to wait around until I don't have to like to wait till the last minute. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you the Christmas presents I want for Christmas for this 2025 year. Okay, guys. Um, hold on. Okay, okay, guys. So this is like my the first Christmas present. I want. Um, it's this Bluetooth speaker JBL Go 4. It's ultra portable, waterproof, and dust proof. Um, it um it has like great punchy bass, 7 hour built-in battery, made in part with recycled materials, and it's black. Um, as you can see here, it comes in like many different colors. It comes in like this is the original color. Black. You got black, orange, and teal. Blue, pink, purple, red, um, sand, camouflage, but Amazon just likes to call it squad. I like to call it camouflage, and you have white. Now the now most of these are the same price, except for these three. It doesn't really tell you the price; it just hides it from you. Um, yeah, but this is one of the Christmas presents I want. But I have, but hold on. I have this exact same JBL. Uh, I have another. I have a JBL speaker right here, and it's paired to my laptop right now. So that's where the sound is gonna come out. Um, um, and as you can see, it's a really nice speaker right here. On the top, you have your volume down, volume up, and your play button. Um, um, on on the side, you have just the logo and the USB C charging port, and on this side right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. On this side, you have your power button, your Bluetooth pairing button, and and this and this little rotary rotating triangle thing. Um, if you don't know what that does, let me press it for you. Oh, yeah. So like it's basically supposed to make a sound when you press it. Um, but basically, what what the little triangle button does is is it allows you to to link to link another one of these or or different JBL Bluetooth speakers. It doesn't have to be this particular type. Um, it can be it can it can be linked with any other Bluetooth speaker. Um, um, that's JBL. Um, yeah. So the reason why I want an, another one of these JBL Go 4s um, is to make a surround sound system for my computer. And just this single one paired right here to my tablet. I mean, it still gives like really great sound. But like two have to be better than one, right? um, um, so yeah, so I want another one of these so I can like press this, press that little triangle button on the side, um, and link it to this. So audio simultaneously plays out of, so audio like simultaneously plays from both Bluetooth speakers. Um, yeah. So oh oh yeah, and plus I want to make like a little cute little sort of surround sound system for my tablet. Um, all right, all right, all right, all right. Let me plug this back into my tablet. I I like to keep it plugged in my tablet every day, because because you know when it's not plugged into something. Holy cow, it's hot. Um, when it's not plugged into anything, then you know battery battery slowly dies down. Um, yeah, so that's why I like to keep it plugged in to my tablet every day. Um, and that's what I'm gonna do with this one, with this copy too. I'm just gonna keep it. I'm just gonna keep black because 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 two blacks like go really well with my tablet since my tablet's black. Um, yeah. So if I get this for Christmas, I will pair it to my other JBL's Bluetooth, to the my current JBL Bluetooth speaker, um, and also keep it plugged into my tablet so it doesn't die down. Yeah, so it sounds like it's gonna be like a really cool surround sound system for a laptop. Um, ooh, and take a look at wow, dude. Yeah, dude. So that's what the speakers look like. I assume I assume that this oval one is the subwoofer and the other one's just the normal speaker. And using Auracast. I don't know what Auracast is, but I assume it has to do with Bluetooth speakers of that kind. Um, yeah, yeah. So that's the JBL Go 4. Um, now let's move on to this one. It's this HDMI video capture card that's USB 3.0. Um, I'm basically asking this one for Christmas too, um, because well, I didn't really get it on my birthday, even when my mom got the links. So you'd be asking like Brendan, don't you have any HDMI devices to hook up to your computer? Well, actually, I do. Hold on, let me get it right here. It's for this Anycast M2 Plus dongle. Um, and the reason why I want to hook up this to my computer via this video capture card, um, is because I can't really sign into to my streaming services on here. It's because I got this tablet mm, like months ago. This new tablet because my other one just broke. Um, so yeah. So I want to hook this up to my tablet, so I can cast because because my because my mom's tablet has streaming services on it that I'd like to watch on my tablet via this and via the HDMI video capture card. Yeah, I hope it. Yeah, so on Christmas, I hope I actually get this because I can't just watch movies on YouTube or DVD. Um, I'd I would I'm dying to use Hulu on this tablet or Max, like anything, or Disney Plus, so I can watch like all my favorite Disney shows and that. Um yeah, yeah, so that's basically what I want. That's all I want for Christmas this year. Um if you guys like this video, please give this video a like. Um, it would really help out my channel. Um, I'll see you guys next time on Christmas. I guess I'll see you guys next time on Christmas. Um, because because look at the look at the date right here. It's June 14th. I'm I'm literally making this video like six months early. Um, so that's why that so so that's why this video is going to come out on YouTube on like the 1st or 2nd of December. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Mm, peace.